Okay, pry bar needed.
Yeah, so somehow I've gotten the raw end of this deal, and I've had to been ripping out all the stupid spike boards from the carpet. Meanwhile, he's having all the fun of ripping the sheetrock off. So I'm done now. You can do the rest of that, and I get a wall.
No, no, no. It's all about slow and steady.
No, no.
Because you don't want to make a dust. Limited dust amounts only.
Yes, Douglas.
100-year-old wood. True 2 by 4 inch. This is not, but that is. So is this. Look at that.
That's amazing. I think those have been reused, maybe.
I heard a rumor or two that this house was built out of an old barns or old sheds or something with the wood. So just think some animal had its anus right here.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna take a hole through the wall. Goodbye. Which one?
This one. Yellow thing.
Oh, okay. Ready? This is gonna be so satisfying. I've never actually been able to do this. Oh my goodness. It's everything I imagined it to be. I love it. No wonder why I got the spike board job. I'm gonna actually use my hands now.
How about not little pieces?
I was just trying to get my hand in there. This is really difficult one-handed, honestly. The anger I've ever had is just flying out.
Remember when I said minimize the dust and the piece size needs to be big?
Yeah.
This is why I was doing this job.
I don't know what you're talking about. I would say that it's pretty substantial. Come on. That was fun. That was really fun.
All cleaned up.
All cleaned up. There's only one more wall for sheetrock to come off of. This one.
How are we going to do that? We're going to just take all the sheetrock off and restart?
On this wall?
Yeah. We have to take this trim off. There isn't a stud there. We're going to have to expose it. Okay.
Okay.
Pitter patter. You think we could go to Subway? I'm hungry. We gotta expose some doors. Doors. These things. These are doors known as doors. Doors called outlets. Outlet cover doors.
Good to know.
Okay, where's the screwdriver? Because I seen you were taking them apart here.
It's on the other side of the room. Here you go.
Japers.
The camera just fell over. Sorry. Too much wind, it pushed it over. I wonder what it would be like to be a little bit taller. Look at that. No more sheetrock removal. We just did all of it. Woo! Woo! Oh my. What was the purpose of those?
I have no idea. Wouldn't have even the slightest guess of why they would do something like that.
They used long enough nails.
That's all they had back in 1956.
Alright, I vote that we carry all this to the dumpster and then we go...
The flare box.
The flare box.
The flare box.
And then we go eat.
You mean you're gonna actually feed me for once?
You're gonna get walloped for that comment.
I wonder what's up here.
The attic.
This sure looks small.
I was thinking it looks big.
We should just make this whole upstairs one room.
One giant wide open room. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'll work out great. Yeah.
It should really increase the resale value.
Definitely. 1 bedroom, 3 bathroom house.
Boy, if that wouldn't be a high maintenance person.
Currently checking to see if this is a load bearing wall, this one in our bedroom part. So he's up in the attic with all this blowing insulation falling.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
So for the record, we did go eat.
And obviously too, it's definitely not very much, actually no pressure on these. But obviously I was up in there and there ain't even nothing holding it, like it's sheetrock.
Oh, okay.
No worries there. Do you know Dairy Queen offers
Dairy-free.
Dairy-free dilly bars?
Yeah, it's new. You pretty excited about that?
Yeah, I am. Although they should definitely make the cherry ones. Because everybody knows the cherry ones are the best. Jackie Chain.
Alright, well, let's to the top.
Yeah, the top I just plan on doing this here number.
Very concerned.
Watch your face.
Yeah, I feel very not safe.
There's one. Stuff is flying. Wood is splitting.
Those would make cool floating shelves.
You and the ideas, I tell you.
You love my ideas. Look where we are right now.
I'm loving it. All right.
You know what? When this is done, you will be wondering why we didn't do this sooner. My God, you just tried to kill me.
People say I'm dramatic. Can I throw these out the window? Because we're not using 2x4s and definitely not true 2x4s.
Not for anything?
If you want them later, you have to dig them out of the flare box.
Okay.
So go open the window.
Okay, so this is how we've been doing the demo. There's the old flare box.
Well, I haven't put anything this long out yet. It's raining now.
So yeah, that's how we've been doing it. And honestly, it's worked quite well.
I just... Whoa!
Poked a hole in the plastic.
Yes, I did. Matter of fact.
Watch as it goes through the window downstairs.
Yeah, that's what I'm concerned about. There's windows right down there in the house. One gust of wind or slip of a board and bye-bye window. And to do the plumbing, because we aren't just doing this with no idea what we're doing, plumber was here. Basically, I think there's a wall downstairs, like right here, that we can shoot through with our plumbing pipes. But inside this room, we've got to remove 100% of the flooring.
So including the subfloor that's there.
Yeah, so this is subfloor. This is the actual flooring that they put in back in 1952, I would imagine, when the house was built.
It's amazing.
And so we'll have to remove both of these inside this room, and then they'll do their plumbing. We'll cover it with our subfloor, which we might have to put 2 of them or whatever it takes to get to the same level as the rest of the house, because you don't want to step up or down.
Toe stubber.
Yep, that's for sure.
Yeah, so...
And you know how my feet like to hook things.
So are we going to build the wall first and then take the floor out in the middle?
I think so.
Okay.
Or we might get it marked out and circle saw cuff it. I don't know. Interesting, I might add. Oh. This is sure easy.
I mean, we've never actually taken walls out before, so it's very interesting to see. You're not going to be able to rip that out without ripping that other board.
Oh, they screwed it. Good. Finally. They used the screw.
Well, there is no more walls. And the other side has no more header either. This side only has the top.
We're moving right along.
was sensational. The other board is coming with it because it's spliced in the middle. Look.
Dang vapor barrier, I tell you what. Yeah, you can tell they just got boards laying flat ways for some weird reason that are so weak you can't even pound the nail back up into.
It's not alarming at all. Don't you have to cut that one?
I suppose that would be best now.
Yeah.
Maybe good enough.
That side was much easier than the other.
Okay, what I'm really hoping to do, and I don't know because I've never done this before or mudded, but I'm hoping I can just put little pieces of sheetrock back in there.
I think it'll be
But
fine.
now I'm starting to remember what my plumber said. Can't have sheetrock behind the shower, so it might have to come out anyways, depending where our shower is located. Could be more demo work in progress.
Okay, there is no more of that wall either. Now you can really get a good look at where the carpet is cut out is where the bathroom will be. I did suffer an injury, which is kind of hard to see right now because I smashed my hand with a waffle head hammer. Oh, there you go. There's a good view. It was violent. Chet laughed. But now we're on to building the new walls, and then we will cut the floor out. And then that'll be it for us now. Next will be the plumber. Well, did you overachieve a little bit there? 4 at one time? You're going to be huffing for the next 10 minutes now.
I'm not that terribly out of shape. You gotta go that far to cut a board. I'm bringing multiples. How do you square off with something like this?
That wall's not even either.
Big hump right here. Well, we know where we gotta be here, but it's a matter of getting that end
To be
squared off. You know, squared off. We need to be about 1/2 inch off or 1/2 inch sheetrock. So we ram in a screw, I think.
yeah.
Push this way on that end. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're good this way on this end. I don't know how deep that's going.
Is that as deep as the blade goes?
Yeah, it is. It's close to deep enough, like literally 1/16 of an inch, but snaps pretty clean. Boy, they really use nails there. How are we going to cut the subflooring? Sawzall?
Maybe. Do you want to go cut the other side and I can keep ripping?
Sure.
Side as well is at the same point. Obviously that side's not screwed in yet because we're trying to figure out how to do it so that it is square with a unsquare old house. So just a little update. Okay, well, we ran out of 2x6s, so we will be going to the Home Depot tomorrow, but this is where we're at. We got all of the tedious framing parts done. That took a long time.
Yeah, it's gonna go super quick now. All we gotta do is put our studs in and
rip this other subflooring
out so the plumber can run his pipes. However, and down the wall, like I said before, not sure what we're gonna do about the lights. Yes, the lights are actually in here, not the greatest spacing wise, but it's a lot of work to move them and mud them and re-sheetrock.
Yeah,
so
I'm
not sure.
thinking they might stay. So for right here.
Get a trailer unloaded. It's full of furniture.
It only has a couple pieces in it.
Get on the road early tomorrow and get some stuff and hopefully get this framed so the plumber can work this week if they're not booked up.
Yeah.
And call the electrician.
And he won't have a whole lot to do, especially if we decide to leave the lights. It'll just be outlets. And yeah. So, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned because it's only going to continue.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Definitely
Give a thumbs up.
Thumbs up for
Comment about how crazy we are for doing it. Although it actually went really well today.
Yeah, and actually I was pretty stressed out about this, but everything worked out great.
It did.
The rafters just so happened to end up one right here, so I didn't have to go up and do any bracing. Could screw into it, and on this wall also, rafter was right there, so we're actually doing more support because the old walls that were here and here weren't on a rafter. They were just boards that they screwed up there to hold the wall and the sheetrock, so we improved the stability of the house, not that it needed any.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on this crazy adventure. Peace out from Nicole's Untold Gold.